Now, as we have seen that we can run multiple instructions inside of the if statement, but we need to enclose them in parentheses. So in the roller coaster example, we can modify this to change the junior prices. So if I say the price is 20 to begin with, and then I can have an if statement that says if the age is less than 13, I can just print hello junior or hello kid or something. Enjoy the discounted price, and then I can change the price here, and then I say system.out.print your price is plus price. So this is going to guarantee that I only change the price when the age is less than 13, because remember I just changed the value of the price in here. Now what we have seen so far is the less than operator. What other operators can we use with if statements? Let's see this table that is going to tell us exactly what we can use. So if I want to check if something is equal to another thing, it is double equal sign. Remember this single equal sign, this is nothing but assignment operator. If it is double equal sign, this is not assignment right now, but it's the comparison operator to compare the left side and the right side. So if I say x equal y, this is going to either return true or false based on whether they are equal or not. The less than operator is the one we've seen. Greater than is the one we've seen as well. Now we can also check if it is less than or equal to something. So I can say x less than equal y, and I can say also x greater than equal y. So this is equivalent to this in mathematics, and this is equivalent to this in mathematics. So these are the operators that we can use inside of the condition of the if statement to compare things. Now what if I want to have multiple scenarios? So I'll say if condition A holds, I will execute this piece of code. If condition B holds, then I'll execute this piece of code. If condition C holds, then I will execute this piece of code, and so on. So let's start with this scenario first, and this is going to take us into what we call the if ... else statement. So this is when we have at least two cases to cover, and this is another example. This is a snippet of a pseudocode. This is not a complete pseudocode. Display prompt for score. Begin if the score is larger than 60. We'll say congratulations, you passed. Else we'll say something like sorry, you failed. Now this is two conditions. If we have greater than 60, this is one condition, or this is, let's say this is now going to be situation A where I will execute this code, and else right here is going to be situation B where I'm executing another code. How do I translate this in Java? I will go ahead and write my if statement as we used to, but then I will directly follow it with an else block, and then I will put my list of instructions in there. So how does this work? If the conditions inside the if statement hold, we will run only the instructions inside the if statement, excluding what's inside the else. If the conditions inside the if statement do not hold, we will only run the instructions that are inside the else statement, and we will exclude the if statement. So let's go back and try to model this on something like our roller coaster again. So I'll say if the age is, in this case, let's say if the age is larger than 10, I'll say hello, and I will say I will just copy this enjoy your ride, and I can just surround it here. And so this is my if statement. Then I'll say else. So this is if the age is less than 10. I want to say something like sorry, you cannot write this. Sorry, you are too young for this ride. So let me compile it and run it. Now it's going to say please enter your age, so I'll say 15. I'm just going to say hello, this is a scary ride for kids, enjoy your ride. If I run it back again, let me say 8 years old, it is going to say sorry, you are too young for this ride. So we've seen that if this condition holds, then I will only run what's inside the if statement. If it doesn't hold, I will run only what's inside of the else statement.